Hey, what's up, guys? Well, welcome back to the Fantasy Sports Edge channel. This is Miguel. I just wanted to go ahead and do a recap for A10. Unfortunately, today I wasn't able to upload this morning and send out the free plays. I did send out the VIPs to all my VIP members, so they got that. But I did want to go over the 10th just because I did give out 2 free plays, and I wanted to make sure that that we went over that. I had a 2-leg parlay, and unfortunately it didn't hit. Cruz didn't show up. I thought he didn't, and unfortunately that's the play that we lost. But I also did give out a sportsbook play for the Dodgers to cover 1.5 runs. They actually won that game, so that was a winner here. So overall, for I don't have it marked up right here, but we lost about half a unit, so it's not a big deal on it. So we're still based since the 9th, we're still up 2.44 units on the free plays. But on the VIP, I wanted to show you, and let's see. Let me close this right here. Hopefully you guys didn't catch that. Oops, I have another one, so don't pause the video. But anyways, on the 10th, so right here, these are all the plays I had for the 10th. It wasn't the greatest of day, but it looks like we just did a perfect split. I believe 5 and 5. So if you look right here, I made it easier. We lost half a unit pretty much, or 0.70, but we're still in the green after that. Today was a much better day. So I sent these out, and we won most of them. We lost on 2 of them, and that equals 2.18 units that were over, or in this case, I'm just putting $10 on each play. So we were up 21.75 on this one. So overall, we have 24 wins and 13 losses, 64.86%. Not bad. Anytime you're in the green, it's a good day. That's how betting is, right? You don't want to get stuck on, oh, we got to win every play. It's just not going to happen, so you have to take the good with the bad. And when you see green, that's all that you hope for, man. At the end of the season, at the end of the year, as long as you're green, then you made some money. That's all that matters. At least that's how you want to see it. You don't want to get too greedy. That's why bankroll management is very important. I'm actually thinking of dropping a video that just focuses on betting, because I know not everybody's an expert, so it's always good to have that type of information readily available. So if you follow me, I'm gonna upload that video, and then like that, you just watch it. I'll give you a link to my Discord too. I have all the pages there, so that anytime you have any questions about bankroll management or how should you approach betting in general, you have a source to go to. And because it's very important, a lot of the times we see, $10, you're like, oh, that's not enough, but it really is, because it just adds up. You see all these screens. If you had let's say a $10,000 bankroll, and you're putting $100 on each play, you'd be over right now $780. So don't think about like, oh, it's only $78. It just depends on your bankroll, and don't compare yourself to others. So if you're just starting out, even $1, man, that's how we all start, right? So anyways, this one I wanted to show. I have 4 plays for tomorrow so far. I'm still gonna add some more, but hopefully you guys didn't catch that. But if you did, there's 4 free VIPs for you. Let's see. So the free plays for tomorrow that I have 2. So just a 2-man, and I have Lane Thomas going over. Excuse me. I have Lane Thomas going over 0.5 batter strikeouts. If you look at this, the last 10 games, he has struck out at least once. Let me see. If we go back here, Lane Thomas right here, strikeouts, the last 20 games, 80% of the time he has at least 1 strikeout. So this is right here, free money, guys. So that's gonna be an easy one. a lot of these apps take out some of these. Like if they know that the player's probably it's gonna be too easy of a win, you won't see it. So you want to lock it in right away before they take it out. All right, so back here, the next, you want to pair them up with Marcel Osuna over 0.5 hits. Again, same thing with him. If you look at the chart here, the last 10 games, 70% of the time he's had a hit. The last 5 games, he's been hitting 80% of the time. He's got at least 1 hit. And against the Giants, in other meetings since last year, he's hit 7 of the 9 games. He's had at least 1 hit. So this is a very consistent play here. So right here, we're just hoping, that they follow their streaks. A lot of the times, things happen and the player will have a bad game. But right here, I think I'm a little bit confident that both of these guys are gonna meet these lines. Okay. And then for Bovada, again, this is a Dodger play that hit. I'm actually gonna give you 2. So if you cut the ones on my chart with these 2, that's actually 6 plays right there, guys. In case I'm not sure if I put it down already on here. Maybe I did. I'm not sure if I put it on here already. Okay, well, either way, it could be 2 free plays or 4 free plays. We'll see. All right, so anyway, so I have the Astros money line. I think there'll be the Tampa Bay Rays. I think that's gonna be a good one, and I think Astros are gonna come on top. As far as the Yankees against the White Sox, and if you've been seeing the White Sox, I just don't see them winning or being close. So I feel like these 2 are gonna be easy money here. So I would just take the Yankees for the run line, minus 1.5. If you look at the odds, look at this. I believe the money line on this was like minus 300. So they're heavily favored. So just take the minus 1.5 run line and just cash in. Also, I wanted to mention that in case you don't follow me on Instagram already, you can go ahead. I'm gonna post my link in the description, but here it is. It's Fantasy Sports Edge, just like the channel's name. And you could follow me. I post a lot of NFL content there, some memes here. But let me see. Yeah, so I have, all these videos, and it's just, right now we're focused on fantasy football and then the season starting. So I'm going to be posting some free picks here, but I'm going to shift my focus towards YouTube for the picks. So, but if you want to follow me on Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow. Let's see, back here. And I believe that's it, guys. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. Also, if you are interested in me creating a video on specifically for new bettors where I give you tips on money management for your bankroll and just betting tips in general, just comment below or like the video and I'll start working on that just because I think it's very important, especially with the NFL seasons. I feel that it's important that we're very responsible and that we don't let it get to our heads, right? We gotta be very objective when we're betting, and we can't let our emotions get the best of us, really. So, all right. Well, until next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap that notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.